Hi, in this demo video we'll see how to execute CORSIKA application to analyze results from LAGO project inside the Chain-Read Science Gateway. To do so, we'll quickly move through all the options of the executions. After accessing the Science Gateway, the deployment of CORSIKA applications is really straightforward. As you see, it's just this small menu where you can choose several options. It's a very simple interface, easy to use for non-expert users. The first parameter is this one, and this is the kind of analysis to perform on the input data. The second parameter allows the user to execute a single experiment or a collection of them. If it's a collection, the user can just upload a compressed file containing all the input files for all the experiment, and the system automatically will uncompress it, execute every single experiment, and then collect the results. The user can choose whether to receive an email or not when the execution has finished, so he can unattend these executions, and whether to store the results in a remote storage element or just keep them in the local Science Gateway. And at last you can choose whether if you want to upload an input file from your local resource or employ a persistent identifier of a remote file. In this case, the system will automatically access the remote site and download the necessary executables. Then you choose the executable, you choose the name of the experiment you are performing, and by hitting submit, you send the job to the grid. So it's really straightforward. When you have submitted some experiment, you can monitor the execution just here in the jobs web. You can see the status. You see some that are just submitted and some that have already been executed. It's really straightforward to monitor them. And if you want, you just click on the icon and download the result. As you've seen, it's really straightforward for non-expert users. And at last, if you have chosen the storage element option, just by clicking on browse, you can access the CORSIKA storage element, and here you have also the results of your experiments. Again, you just click, choose the repository and download the data. Also, as you can see, really straightforward for non-expert users. So that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.